There's a place in the universe so vast, so empty. Scientists once thought it was a glitch in the data, but it wasn't. It was real, and it terrified them. It's called the Boötes Void, a massive spherical region of space about 700 million light-years from Earth. Over 330 million light-years wide, it's one of the largest known voids in the observable universe. For comparison, our Milky Way galaxy is just 100,000 light-years across. This void is over 3,000 times wider, yet holds only around 60 galaxies when there should be tens of thousands. The universe is supposed to be evenly filled with matter, but this emptiness defies that idea. Greg Aldring once said, "If the Milky Way had been inside the Boötes Void, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. Imagine living in that darkness. No stars, no galaxies, just silence. How would you ever know the universe existed beyond your cosmic prison? The Boötes Void isn't just empty space. It's a mystery, a question mark written across the cosmos. Was it caused by a cosmic event? Is it a scar from another universe? Or could it be something else entirely? Sometimes the most terrifying thing in the universe is nothing. It began in the 1980s. A team at the University of Minnesota, led by Robert Kirshner, was mapping galaxies using redshift surveys. They expected to confirm a well-ordered universe. But when they looked toward the Boötes constellation, they found something no one could explain. A region 330 million light-years across, nearly empty, where thousands of galaxies should have been. Robert Kirshner said, "We weren't looking for it. It found us. And when we saw the scale of it, it felt like staring into the abyss." This wasn't just a small inconsistency. It struck at the cosmological principle, the idea that the universe is uniform on large scales. Our current model, lambda CDM, allows for voids, but nothing this big. Structures like the Boötes Void are far too rare to happen by chance. Its discovery raised deep questions. Were galaxies prevented from forming there? Did something collapse the matter too early? Or is this void a sign of something much bigger, a relic from the beginning of time? Some theories suggest multiverse collisions, inflation irregularities, or even high entropy zones from topological defects in the early universe. Whatever it is, one thing is clear. The Boötes Void isn't just a hole in space, it's a hole in what we thought we knew. When conventional science falls silent, imagination takes over. What if the Boötes Void isn't just an empty space, but a message, a relic, or a scar? Some physicists believe it's the result of a multiverse collision. According to eternal inflation theory, our universe may be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. If two universes collided early on, the impact zone could stretch for hundreds of millions of light-years, just like the Boötes Void. Others suggest it's a simulation glitch. If reality is a programmed construct, the void might be an unrendered zone, a loading error in the cosmic code. And then there's the boldest idea, alien macroengineering. A Type 3 civilization might remove stars and galaxies to harvest their energy, leaving behind a massive deliberate absence. Unlikely, maybe, but 100 years ago, we thought the Milky Way was the entire universe. If the void is natural, our understanding is incomplete. If it's artificial, then we may not be alone. We've spent time exploring a vast emptiness, a scar in the cosmos that challenges everything we thought we knew. But now, let's turn the lens inward. The Boötes Void isn't just a strange patch of space, it's a symbol, a quiet reminder that even in a universe built on laws and patterns, there are places that refuse to conform. What do we do when our models break? When the map doesn't match the terrain? When we come face to face with the unknown and it stares back without a sound? The void forces us to confront our assumptions, our need for certainty, our fear of randomness. It humbles us, and it reveals that much of what we call truth is really just comfort dressed as knowledge. It shows us that absence doesn't mean failure. Silence doesn't mean emptiness. Sometimes to understand something new, we have to unlearn something old. The Boötes Void is more than a mystery of space. It's a reflection of the space within us, the quiet between beliefs, the edge of a breakthrough. So take a moment, reflect. Question one thing you've always accepted. Let the silence speak. Because sometimes the universe teaches not through answers, but by giving us the room to ask better questions. The Boötes Void is one of the largest known empty spaces in the universe, roughly 330 million light-years across. It's a massive region almost completely devoid of galaxies, a giant cosmic hole that doesn't fit our current models of how the universe should look. Recent missions like the James Webb Space Telescope are already peering into the earliest galaxies forming near these voids, giving us clues about how matter behaves in these empty regions. The European Space Agency's Euclid mission is mapping the universe's large-scale structure with unprecedented detail, helping us understand the shape, size, and influence of voids like Boötes. Meanwhile, the Vera Rubin Observatory is scanning the southern sky every few nights, tracking how galaxies move around and through these vast empty spaces. Together, these projects are building a new map, not just of stars and galaxies, but of emptiness itself. This emptiness challenges Einstein's general relativity. Voids are where matter thins to near nothingness, creating conditions where gravity and space-time might work differently. Some physicists think this could be the place to discover new physics. Ideas like emergent gravity, modified gravity, or even clues about the quantum nature of space-time. Artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool here. Machine learning models are reconstructing 3D maps of these voids from limited data, revealing structures humans can't easily detect. For AI, these voids aren't just blank spots, they're patterns waiting to be decoded. The Boötes Void forces us to rethink how science works. It shows that our current understanding, no matter how advanced, is incomplete. It reminds us that real progress comes from questioning the rules we take for granted. We're only at the beginning of understanding the universe's grand architecture. The Boötes Void isn't just empty space. It's a cosmic puzzle piece that could unlock the next big breakthrough in physics and cosmology. If you made it this far, you're not just watching, you're part of a journey, a rebellion against the ordinary, stepping into the cosmic unknown. Drop a comment with your void moment, that time you had to rethink everything. Check out our full playlist on cosmic mysteries. I'm building a free, world-class archive of cosmic storytelling that others charge hundreds for. So like and subscribe to NetraVerse, and let's keep exploring the universe together.